Si Marcos bangag ang subject, hindi ako at si Morales. May
Many have very accepted the word access to application to our people and reaction to opinion to each other. But I want to real about the personal opinion in social media or their platform about your possession. Kasi lahat ng tao on believe to our social media for the expressions of personal about you, mistake and to going to fight about the right and you are not right. Kasi sa mundo na to realidad is devastated, exhibit and mental health problem. You know, kaya ang mangyayari, kung kayo ay hindi naman kayo mataas na tao or whatever person, ay wag na kayong lumibil sa mga taong mas mataas sa inyo.